All right. Hi, Partha.
Yeah, hi Ritesh.
Okay. My name is Ritesh, and so in total, IT industry, I've spent more than 13 years now. I've been working with AWS, Azure. AWS, I'm well expert. Also, AWS solution architect and professional certified also.
Mhm.
And I have almost worked on 40 plus services on AWS. My command is good on AWS. And on the same site, now I'm looking for GCP site. So I
Mhm.
know cloud concept very well. So I'm just thinking to start this associate now because I'm just thinking about if I can should start for the professional cloud architect or basic architect first. Associate, I mean.
Okay, so Ritesh, first of all, you are already working in AWS now. So, just it is the interaction session to understand more with you. So this will be convenience for for training purpose. So, what level of task you are doing? I know you mentioned already that you are in advanced task. So, what kind of task you are doing at the moment? I mean, it will be little better for me to guide you. Actually, that's why I'm
See, on
checking.
the, I would not be expecting in this course that go to very advanced level, but what I would be expecting, for example, we are going to create VPC. I would be expecting that we are creating VPCs, right? Subnet. We are going to create route tables, modifications, and internet gateways, NAT gateways, and peering connections. These kind of things I'm looking for 100% practical.
Okay.
And like storage, we are going to use like storage, we are going to use pre-signed URL. We are going to host a static website, or we are going to create lifecycle rules. We are going to have our applications or something called data disaster tools, or we
Mhm.
can say is storage is override, creating the EC2 instances, load balancer, how to compare them, in which condition we use. See, in AWS, we have three load
So
balancers.
you mainly looking for some practical and
Practical,
also theoretical,
100%
right?
practical. Theory I can cover by my own also.
Okay, okay, okay. And this is also you are looking for some certifications cases or only for practical which you want to implement in your day-to-day job,
Day-to-day job.
day-to-day job. Okay.
Definitely certification I will do, but later point of time. As of now, no.
Okay, and also you initially said one thing like you want to also go for the associate level or the I mean professional level. So yeah, I mean you are working as a cloud engineer at the moment, or you are working as a associate solution architect.
So yeah, cloud architect.
You are working as a cloud architect.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I understand that. Then what is your requirement and all? Okay. Yeah. So Ganesh, yeah, hope you understand what Ritesh is looking for that.
So what you recommend? Should I go for basic one, GCP Associate
Always
Cloud
good,
Engineer?
actually, Ritesh. I would like to say if you go in a basic, that one is always good because the thing is, it is a very little bit slightly different in a architect level, very slightly different. And other than that, there is no difference. Only you know what is the uh, thing is there GCP is a advantage for the data one and obviously that container one is that advantage. But yeah, it would be good for you if you can go in a basic level, so that you can obviously understand what all the components, as you say, like VPC creation, firewall rules setting up, load balancing setting up, and that illustration, um, those things you can obviously get that the details, so it will be comfort for you to drive actually in the
Okay.
next level.
So what do you think? How much hours will be needing? This cloud table, big table, query, cloud functions, these all will be covered, right? 100% practical.
In a standard one, it is not coming actually. This is a standard one is all are, the basic one. But if you are talking about that the BigQuery and all, which is a data engineering part.
Okay.
So data engineering it's a separate thing actually, totally, because this is a additional component for all those things like a
Okay.
DevOps, so data engineering also is another part where that data warehouse, ETL function, how it will be working. So all those things are there. In an advanced level is analytics, right? After that, so that is different. Yeah.
So,
Okay. So, yeah. Yeah. Tell me that you can finish.
let me check one thing. So here we are going to do billing configuration, command line, and the storage we are going to cover, right? And
Yeah,
configure
billing.
how. Mhm.
Correct, correct. So billing, and I hope you cost optimizations is one of the things, and how the pricing factor is working. That is a billing mainly, so that you can understand whenever you design any solution. So you need to see that what would be the cost, and what you need to be provide to the customer for cost, or I mean, what should be the cost calculations, how it is coming. So Google have the price calculation, and then you can do this accordingly.
So I can see one of the curriculum like Google App Engine. So you can tell me what we are going to cover. Google App Engine, Google Cloud Run, Google Cloud
Well,
Functions.
it is a bit of difference from the infra. Okay, so App Engine is totally, those are in a application development related things. So they are working. So App Engine is a suitable for them. But if you are supporting for or is working in a infra, where all common things will come, storage, database, and then the networking, all those things. So App Engine is slightly different for that.
And what about like data flow, data proc, that is also used.
Again, data flow and all those data proc
Mhm.
and data, data stream, everything is coming under data engineering,
So,
Google Cloud data engineering
so
thing.
this in this cloud engineer, what will be topics then? VM, or you can say
VM
visual
is the main,
machines.
and apart from the VM, yeah, you can see that the GCP migration is also one of the topics, which is a next level. But obviously, that how you migrate from the GCVE, I mean on-prem to GCVE, or on-prem to GKE, or on-prem to GCE, compute engine, those things is a, and then storage, and then databases, knowledge, what all databases are there, uh, Google Cloud support, and all the advantage and disadvantage and the price calculations, and then faster and all those things from the databases, and also see the networking design, the HR, sorry, high availability, disaster recovery. Those things will be coming.
So data solution is a part of our, if we go to 3.4 point bulleted point in GCP Associate Cloud Engineering, they all are part of it.
So you are referring the document is there,
Given
that
by,
one, that document.
yeah, given by Ganesh only. Can I share my
Well,
screen?
yeah, you can share.
This is what I'm referring. These Google PubSub event, cloud storage object notification event, cloud run, cloud functions, and cloud
This
SQL,
is
cloud
all our
data
high level
stream.
is there actually, Ritesh. This is
Mhm.
all our high level. You can get it that, but obviously, hope you understand as you are working in a AWS.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a it's a specifications. Is if you go, this is a totally specific. It's not coming under the standard infra. So that's why I said you can high level. Obviously, you will get all the details, whatever you shared and highlighted. Yes, obviously, but this is a specializations, right? Data
So,
engineering and data analytics is totally specializations.
consider I'm considering there will be a virtual machines and then App Engine, Cloud
Yeah,
Run, Cloud Functions, and after that high
yeah,
level of
it's a total thing. Yeah, correct. This is a overall things. Yeah, high level idea.
Okay.
Correct,
So
you said.
then this is VPC, VPN related thing, creating a load balancers and all. Then
Yes, yes,
marketplace
yes.
templates. I think that is for auto scaling or something.
Mm. Right.
Compute
This all will
engine
be covered up.
resources.
Uh, Ritesh, can you go up?
Which points?
Yeah, first page, the first
Okay.
page. Okay, yeah, this yeah. I've shared like two documents. One is associate, one is
Yeah.
architect.
This one is another one, which is professional.
This is associate, right?
This is professional and this is associate. The earlier one I was showing you, that is associate level. But I think what we are discussing is there is needs to be change in this document also. Here, database, I think not mentioned.
Because what Partha was saying, right?
This one.
Because this BigQuery, data proc, this my cloud spanner, this comes under data engineer, GCP data engineer. So let me share you one more document.
Mm.
Maybe whichever I've shared that belongs to kind of certification related. Let me share you one more.
And IAM monitoring, these are all going to cover, right?
Yeah,
So I
this is a
can
standard actually, Ritesh.
uh,
This will be coming here. I am monitoring and all those things. That is obviously
see
coming.
one of the
Just
that curriculum I'm mentioning, I'm going through this Udemy one. Here also they are
Mhm.
covering many services. I think those are also related to data solution services. Cloud spanner, memory store, data store, and fire store. Probably what we can do
Yes,
is
yes,
we
that is a
can.
storage. In a storage is a variety of things are there,
Right.
so you can get
Mhm.
it. That will be coming obviously. What I say, if you are go for a DevOps, right, or if you are go for the particular, even also data specialist or in a data engineering, so you can see the Google is totally it is a specific subject.
Mm. So then probably you can send the updated one, what we are going to cover, what is out of scope.
Okay, so yeah, probably Ganesh is say the same thing.
You can understand there are a lot of lines available. We cannot cover each and everything, but
Yeah,
we
it's a huge actually. It's a huge subject.
AWS says that
Uh,
we are spending 5 years and still learning.
yeah. So you are mainly, it would be a good like you maybe first complete the associate one because the advantage is that you can get it the solid idea that and what are the minimum difference, and then probably it will be good for you to handle that the next all those things.
So I can tell, I don't know, you know about AWS, right?
Yeah, I have correct.
So so let me see what I am looking for is like virtual machines, load balancers, auto scalings, and in storage. In storage, we have S3 in AWS, EBS, block storage, and EFS, which is file storage, right? And then FSX. In databases, I'm
Oh,
looking for how to create a databases and connect with
yeah.
clients. MySQL we can cover, or SQL we can cover, or Oracle. Anything is fine with me. Then
Now Oracle is mainly is bare metal in Google. So there is it's little uh, challenges in here. I mean, it is possible, but there is a you need to do separate VM
VM
for
creation
this.
and manually we have to
Yeah,
install. Okay.
and then on top of that, those so license matter are there actually.
Okay.
So
Bring your own
mainly,
licenses
yeah,
available, right?
so mainly cloud SQL is there. Cloud SQL is taking care of the Postgre, MySQL, and SQL Server. Okay,
That's
so
fine.
these
Yeah.
three is actually cover. Yeah.
An API gateway and Docker related things like ECS, Elastic Container Registry, ECS, and EKS. Couple of examples on this, and
Mm.
VPC, networking service, and then if it's possible, Redis and Memcached, because these are plain examples. If we can cover this for Google Cloud functions or load balancer already covered. I think that will be good, right?
Yeah,
Or
yeah. This will be cover up, you know, to operate it you actually for operation.
cloud formation, or might be couple of more things, right? KMS we can cover, key management system, and IAM.
Yeah,
So I'm looking for is architect associate part, not advanced level.
yeah, that would be good for you.
So might be you can update or
Mm,
help Ganesh to update or something. Because
yeah.
I can see they are mixing two, three courses in one.
No, no, no. That's what, Ritesh. What I'll do is, let me check from my end. I'll share you one content, because which of the course I've shared with you, the contents, those are from a Google site.
Okay.
Not I didn't prepare those contents there from my end. So what are the content I've shared? Those are from I downloaded from direct from Google.
Okay.
So let me check from my end. Meanwhile, can you also like do one thing? Anyways, you have created some doc one text file, right? So in that, like whatever you want to learn, the topics you mentioned, right? The same way, Partha, do you have anything like that? Do you have any contents for associate and cloud separately like that?
For
I
GCP.
know we do not have a separate content, but that is a standard content, so this will be not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as discussed, then we'll start from first the associate basics, then we'll go for a cloud, right? Cloud architecture.
Yes.
Okay. So
And how much time it is going to take roughly?
Yeah, Ganesh, you want to say the
yeah,
timeline?
number of hours will be like compared up to you. How we can? I'm thinking around if we go for associate basics, then cloud, then architecture full course, it might go for around like 40 or something, thinking 40 or 40 plus hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
And the cost you will share separately, Ganesh?
Yeah, let me check from again from my database. So I'll send you like if anything I have. If not, we'll follow the same then.
Sure. And we can start in by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow, right?
Partha, how we can?
No, Ganesh, yeah, we will discuss that. Let me see that when the timeline and all. And I will actually, Ritesh, I will let Ganesh know, and then we will see the timeline when we can start. Okay.
Mm.
So
Fine.
then let me check from my end, and I'll send you the content then.
Yeah, sure.
Fine.
That's fine, Ritesh?
Yeah, fine with me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Partha. Thank you, Ganesh.
Uh,
Thank you.
Send you
Thank you.
both the contents for both of you. Both this one associate and cloud architecture, both I'll check and will share with you.
Okay.
Okay.
So any questions for me or for Partha, Sandesh?
I'm good.
Okay, then I'll share the details in a few minutes.
Fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Take care, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, Partha. Thanks for
Bye.
your